Do you see this actually? So many cute girls.
Thank you. Wow. I think we're gonna go to Trevi Fountain and to the Roman Colosseum. Siya daw yung train conductor. Okay, we're going to go to the Leaning Tower of Pisa again. And morning na ngayon. Going to the tower again. Ooh, here we are. Hey, stay put! Oh, dali, dali! Wow! Me again. Pisa means marshlands. So, kaya siya nagliliin kasi it was built on marshy land. So, we're leaving now. Time to go to Florence. We are in Florence, Italy for a guided city tour.
The original name of this town that at that time was Florencia, and then down the centuries, so they turned this name Florencia into the Italian name Firenze.
We're here to buy gelato kasi dito daw yung origin ng ice cream. So we have to taste it.
Allora io prendo.
Thank you. Wow. Strawberry, coffee, chocolate, hazelnut, and pistachio. So good. Shorty, that's not for you. Come on, let's go.
Do you see this BS? Go! This is BS.
Shorty's making friends. Stephen and Juan Miguel, the 12-year-olds. Yes! Oh, introduce yourself. Do you play Minecraft?
I don't play Minecraft anymore.
Naka-uniform.
Happy New Year! Merry Christmas!
We're at the Vatican, the smallest country in the world.
That's right.
Oh.
Yo, there's so many cute girls. Do you see this actually? There's so many cute girls. And boys.
Wow.
Nalala ba si Pope?
Look at the statues. It feels like I'm in a novel.
Outside it's like so pangit, and then you go here. It's like heaven, bro. I feel like this is what heaven would look like.
The Pope is inside of the church. think the mass is done.
Uy! Philippines! Philippines! Wow! Welcome to the tombs of the popes.
Ano to? Columns? Old columns?
I think it's made out of marble.
Wow.
It's indicated there, you know, column base of the Constantinian Basilica, 4th century.
Ayun pala yun.
Oh, may kukuha, oh. Sa likod mo.
How can you tell?
Because I drink water a lot.
Wait.
Si Papa rin. Is that holy water?
Paano nababasa jacket mo?
Ano? Malamig.
It's very cold.
We are in the Basilica. As you can see, ang marami ng tao. Kasi it's almost 12 o'clock. So you have to go here very early. Shotty, you and Papa race to the top. Tell Papa, race, race. 3, 2, 1, go! Pagod na. Wow! Uy, may orange! Go, Dichi, go, Dichi. Abutin mo. Climb, kayang-kaya mo yan.
Maliit.
From this point of view, you can see this, and then dito to Shotty. Maraming tao.
Look at the tree. Look at the tree. No, tree is more important. And look.
Wow. Kala ko yun yung Trevi Fountain, hindi naman pala.
Scammer ka, tree.
Joke! Walking to the Trevi Fountain. It's right there. We're still far away.
We're walking to McDonald's.
Macdo.
This is the Trevi Fountain, guys. Look.
That's not it.
Show the Trevi Fountain. Show it. This is the Trevi Fountain, guys.
No. Here we are. Super huge.
This is not the Trevi Fountain, guys. It's fake. It's the one a while ago. For sure.
Wow. story time. Kanina, nag-picture kami dun sa gilid ng Trevi Fountain. Tapos may parang mga racist na whites. Tapos nag-picture ako, tinatawanan nila, tapos nag-uubo-ubo. After nun, tingnan ko lang siya.
Implication ng ubo, parang
Yeah.
Tapos tumitingin din siya sa akin kahit nag-camera lang ako.
Yeah, tapos meron pa siyang mga kasamang anak niya, parang ewan.
Yung anak niya, tumitingin din sa akin at tumatawa.
Sayang di ko na videohan. Di ko na picturean. Let's go, we're leaving.
Display upstairs.
Okay, time to go to the hotel. So pretty. Look at the Dior Christmas tree.
Subscribe ka na rin
yung
dito.
camera effects! I'm shy. Yeah. It's labo. Asan yung flower?
I was about to beat that guy up. I was about to beat that guy up. Pero yun, na-realize ko galing tayong Vatican.
Ay, oo. Galing kami sa Vatican kanina. Na-scam daw siya.
No, sila.
Ay, yung mom. Yung Rose?
Hindi, yung Rose, diba? The Indian guy. Giving out.
Happy New Year.
Tapos binigay niya from the back.
From the back, ganyan. Tapos kinuha ng mom mo.
Oo, parang gano'n. Tapos after 5 minutes, sumabit siya. €1. Sabi niya, Happy New Year. Ganun na. Lumayo siya. After 5 minutes, bumalik siya. Siningil, €1. Tapos hindi pa na kontento sa €1. €2.
Ano? Tapos binayaran niyo kasi hindi siya umaalis.
I was about to beat that guy up. Pero na-realize ko galing tayong Vatican, so...
Beware! It's our last night here in Europe. Tomorrow we're leaving. Bye-bye!
As this vacation comes to an end, I realized all of the friends I made along the way. Maybe it's not about the Prada, maybe it's not about the 68, but maybe it's about the friends we made along the way. Also our friends.
Do you know their names?
I only know like 5. I can't pronounce them. Bye guys. See you next time.
Where we were last night, but it's 9 a.m. in the morning. That's why walang katao-tao. Buongiorno, which means hello in Italian. I think we're gonna go to Trevi Fountain and do the Roman Colosseum. Basta we're gonna have a walking tour. So let's go! That's Mama Mary pala, the one on top. We're here again. So beautiful. That's Triton daw. Triton. And it used to be a spa. Sabi ng tour guide.
The Colosseum, guys.
That's not the Colosseum.
And the Pyramid of Giza, guys.
Wow.
Here behind me, you can see this ruins, yeah? You can see this. And it used to be like this. It was the same. This is the market of Trajan, of like the Spanish guy, Spanish emperor, yeah? So this is where all the Romans used to buy clothes or food or wine. Yeah. So this was built by the 100 AD.
Wow. So this is old Rome.
Yeah.
Wow.
Which was the love of his life, by the way. Yes. All right. Next stop, I will show you Augustus.
So this is Julius Caesar. Sabi ng tour guide, he brought his girlfriend and built like a palace for her.
His girlfriend was Cleopatra.
Yeah, Cleopatra.
Also.
Wow. So yun daw guys, yung first ever mall, considered as first ever mall. Diyan daw bumibili yung mga Romans na mga damit. Basta nang kung ano-ano, parang tiyangge nila. Let's go! This forum is for the normal Roman people. While on the other side of the road, that's what you call the Imperial Forum. So, para dun sa mga may position, higher positions. Tapos dyan daw yung place ni Julius Caesar. Okay, so now we're headed to the Roman Colosseum. I can see it from here. It's there. Wow! Wow!
At the top right here, they used to put the velorium to put the ceiling against all of the bad weather, you know? Huh? The Colosseum was built right after, you remember Nero. Nero was the emperor. They will blame the Christians because of a big fire that burned the whole city. Capacity between 50,000 and 17,000 people. Yeah? And the vomitoriums were the entrances, which were more than 70 entrances all around the circus. They used to fill up this place with water so they can do these fake naval battles. You know, the Nero started to torture the Christians here. The Christians, they will be, you know, tortured for a long time till Constantine the Great will legalize the Christian religion here, and he changed the history by the 313 AD after Christ, the 4th century.
Yung butas daw, you can see ang raming butas. Ang nakalagay daw dyan, mga ornaments, mga gold, yung nag-hold sa Colosseum. Tapos, kinuha yan ng mga barbarians. Lahat yan ng mga butas. Bye, Europe. So sad. Bye-bye. Grabe naman yan. Grabe naman yan. Third country. Sorry po. Happy New Year, shortly.
It's like 4 days past, bro.
4 days.
And it's gonna be like next year when you post it.
It's still New Year.
No, not
it's like
next year on a random month.
Oh, say bye now. We're going back na. So sad. Christmas is over. Time for reality. Time for school again. Bye. Ichi, bye-bye. Wala lang naririnig. Nag-movie na si Madam. Sama! Evil Dichi. Bye-bye.
I would like to welcome you on board to this Emirates.
Daddy.
Sheesh, ang pogi. Okay, we're all gonna play. Touch the phone. The universe. Hey, hey. So, you know how I like it, girl. Announcement in progress.
1 million zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Bato Pig versus Chowking versus Jollibee. Jollibee. Jack and Boy. Daya! Nakagano na si Shorty! Jack!
Late naman, ano pa?
Ayaw namin joking.